Alpha.
The cinema line camera FR7 is an E-mount interchangeable lens camera with a full-frame image sensor and built-in pan-tilt-zoom functionality. This is a starting guide for those who use the FR7 for the first time and consists of 3 different videos explaining the initial setup, basic operation and advanced operation. Let's start with the initial setup. This camera consists of the camera head and the PTZ base block. The full-frame image sensor is equipped in the camera head. The PTZ base block makes this camera unique by providing a remote pan-tilt-zoom operation for new shooting possibilities. Here on the side, the FR7 has 2 15mm rods to fit additional accessories on if necessary. And this is the pan-tilt lock lever for locking and releasing the pan and tilt movements. On the other side of the camera, there are dual media card slots inside the cover. CF Express Type A and SDX-C cards are supported on both slots. CF Express Type A cards are particularly well suited for high bitrate 4K movie production with high-speed write capability. On the rear side of the PTZ base block, there are several input-output interfaces. The FR7 can be controlled as well as powered via Ethernet cable, and using the PoE++ compatible power delivery device as an alternative option of a conventional DC in. Image and audio can be output via 12G SDI, HDMI, optical fiber SFP port, as well as LAN port for streaming. For the multi-camera operation, the timecode input and the gen lock are also supported. Before connecting the power, let's mount an E-mount lens. Here we are mounting the Power Zoom kit lens FE PZ 28-135mm f4G OSS. When you mount a lens, make sure that the pan-tilt lock lever is locked and the camera head is located at the front end for smoother and safer lens mounting. And then attach the lens. FR7 with a wide variety of Sony's E-mount lenses helps your content creation. Not only panning and tilting, but remote zooming is also possible when Sony's Power Zoom lenses are used. Now, let's turn on the FR7. The FR7 doesn't have a power switch, so it automatically turns on when the DC-in power cable is connected. Then the calibration process begins. During the calibration, the FR7 automatically moves around in pan and tilt directions. You will also see the flashing green light during the calibration. When the calibration process finishes, the green light changes from flashing to a constant light. Now we're all set for shooting. Let's proceed to the next video, which explains the basic operation using a tablet.
Alpha.
The cinema line camera FR7 is an E-mount interchangeable lens camera with a full-frame image sensor and built-in pan-tilt-zoom functionality. This is a starting guide for those who use the FR7 for the first time and consists of